Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to merge two videos in CapCut PC. So let's get started. First of all, let me just drag and drop two videos into the timeline. As you can see, I have two videos right over here, but these two videos are different. Okay, so we need to merge two videos into one. So how we can do that? First of all, just select those two videos like this, then right click on your mouse, and as you can see, here is the option group. Just click on the group, and now these two videos will act like a single video. As you can see, these two videos are moving back and forth. Okay, like if you just want to undo that, you can simply just again right click and select the ungroup to make it two video. Okay, and also you can do that by selecting two clips and again group it. Okay, so you can merge the two videos like this as well. So I think this video will help you out. If yes, please like the video and have a great day.